Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at Psytrance leads and we're going to make a free patch. So let's go. So we'll be using serum. I'm not sure what we're going to make, but let's dive into it. This is the kick, bass and percussion. Just simple, just so we have something behind it. So we'll dive in on this lead. And this is a basic pattern. Thinking something short and fast, maybe with a nice band pass. Okay, let's change the wave. Let's get maybe something spectral out here. What's a scout? Okay, let's drop this octave. Okay, sounding cool. So what we can do is we can do a note on random for the cutoff. So every time a note plays, the cutoff will move at random. We don't want it all the way 100%. Let's find a sweet spot in this section. I think there's something here. Okay, so all we can do is we can remove this. Let's do note on random as well to the wavetable. Oscillator A, wavetable position. Okay, sounding cool. Let's add another digital maybe. What's this? Evolution. Can you hear it on its own? Okay, let's put that through the filter as well. Yeah, let's get a nice LFO moving as well. Every bar can change the wavetable position of the second oscillator. Because the sound is quite dominant, I think let's span it every half a bar so it just moves around. Sorry. Here we go. Gonna throw a brick wall just so that nothing gets past what I'm trying to do right now. Let's just listen to the lead on its own. Okay, sounding cool. Maybe we can have the unison up on this one. So the unison is just making the second oscillator a bit wider. And the first one is our main one coming straight through the middle. I'd rather have the harsh ones coming through the side than coming through straight through the middle one. Okay, maybe we can add another filter. Let's maybe try a formant. So we'll put the macro on that. If we want the formant. Sorry, I need to put it on the mix as well. So when we lift up the formant, all those elements will be used. Just to make it a bit interesting. Just tube distortion. I always like tube distortion. Some verb. Plate. Some delay. Let's link it. Ping pong. I only want the mids to delay. Let's put on a 1/8. That's sounding super cool. Let's see if we drop this octave down. Okay, sounded cool. Maybe let's try some FM. So let's FM from sub. Let's see what's going on here. Ooh. That sounds cool. Okay, so I think that is sounding pretty cool. I think we're gonna go with this sound. So yeah, let's hear it in context with everything. I think I want this one to bounce just a bit more. Excuse me. So yeah, I think that's a cool preset. I think that's a good lead. We can use that. So I'll put the lead preset in a file for you guys. You can take that. And if you want to make this just a bit more crazy, you can kill the delay. Let me actually just assign a macro to the delay going off. And let me put it on the reverb going off. So that is effects off. So when you turn this button up here, the delay and the reverb disappears. And the reason why I'm saying that is if you want to make maybe a bit of a faster pattern. What's going on here? Okay. So if you have a bit of a faster pattern, the delay and the reverb might be a bit too much. Yeah, I think that's kind of cool. So yeah guys, thanks for watching.